This is a mid-range tablet from Samsung, the Galaxy Tab S10 FE, and I have seen a lot of good reviews about this tablet. People have been saying a lot of good things about this, so I was like, hey, I need to check this out for myself and get the tablet. So I finally got it, and this is going to be basically an unboxing video and first impressions of this tablet. And I also got a book cover for this. It's this book cover from Samsung that basically allows me to turn this tablet into a mini laptop, if that makes sense. So let's get straight into it and start unboxing these two guys over here. Let's see what the unboxing experience is like. So first up, we have the tablet itself. Let's put that on the side for now and check out the accessories we get in the box. I must say, this is a very minimalist unboxing experience. There's the S Pen, which I'm a very big fan of. As someone that's into art, this will be fun to use for sure. Taking notes will be good on this as well. I can't wait to check it out. We also have the user guide manual, and of course guys, I'm going to read this, right? Nah, we ain't reading that, bro. Put that in the bin, bro. Why do we need a user guide manual, guys? Stop with these user guide manuals, bro. We don't need them. But anyways, there's also a Type-C to Type-C cable with no charging brick, and that's the modern unboxing experience, guys. No charging bricks anymore. I'm pretty much getting used to this, guys. So yeah. Now the tablet itself, guys, this is the moment we've all been waiting for. At first glance, I really like how well designed this tablet is. It feels really premium with this amazing metal build on the back. I got mine in grey. I personally think that this is the best color from the three. Let's power this thing on for the first time while I'll tell you a bit about the specs. So we have a 10.9 inch 90Hz LCD display, 8 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of storage, a 13 megapixel rear camera, a 12 megapixel front camera, a massive 8000 milliamp hour battery with 45 watt fast charging support, and an IP68 rating, which means it's water and dust resistant. Now, one thing that really excites me is this book cover keyboard, guys. Let's check it out. This cover comes as a two-piece set with one side that attaches magnetically on the back, and the keyboard side attaches magnetically at the bottom of this tablet. And this allows me to use this tablet as a mini laptop, if that makes sense, which is really cool. And I love how it just fits on this tablet like a glove. I love how the black and gray complements each other, man. It looks so good. We also have this pocket thing at the back that I can store my pen, and that's a great touch, guys. Let me know what you guys think about this cover's design. In my opinion, I think it's well built. The material is premium, and I just love how it complements the tablet. It makes it feel that much more special, in my opinion. So yeah, guys, this is the Samsung Tab S10 FE. Like I said, it's a great looking tablet, man. I have nothing bad to say about the design and even the case itself, bro. Like, look how it looks, bro. It looks good. But at the end of the day, it's not about the looks, guys. It's about the heart, bro. What's inside, bro? That's why in the next couple of videos, I will be doing a full review on this tablet, guys, to actually tell you how it performs on a day-to-day basis and going deep into the things that Samsung promised that this tablet could do. Things like, let's say for example, the S Pen, the display, and the camera, the Galaxy AI features, how it all works together as a unit. So that's going to be exciting, guys. Stay tuned, and yeah, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out, bro. I'm out. I said I'm out, bro. I'm out.